Friends, welcome to NG Academy. Our today's agenda is to discuss uses of base. Number 1, sodium hydroxide. The common name for sodium hydroxide is caustic soda. The use of caustic soda is manufacturing soap. So during the manufacture of soap, the caustic soda is used, and also in manufacturing paper, and it is also used in refining petroleum products. In diesel, petrol, in crude state, lots of impurities are present. So to remove all those impurities, caustic soda is used. Next one is calcium hydroxide, CaOH2. The common name for calcium hydroxide is lime water, and it is used for preparing bleaching powder. You can see here in the picture, this is a bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is used to treat water. During the treatment of water, bleaching powder is used to remove to make the bacteria free water or germs free water. Bleaching powder is put in the water, and it is also used for whitewashing. Whitewashing means like it is used in a paint, like in wall and in the interior of the home, sometimes exterior also. Number 3, that is ammonium hydroxide. See, this is ammonium hydroxide. NH4OH is its molecular formula, and it is used for making chemical fertilizer. Soil lacks essential nutrients in a long run, so to fulfill all those essential nutrition that the soil lacks, the chemical fertilizer is sprinkled over the soil. Friends, we are into number 4, caustic potash. It is the common name for potassium hydroxide, and it is used for manufacturing of soap. In the soft soap, during the preparation of soft soap, caustic potash is used. You can see in the image here, this is soft soap, and caustic potash is the essential ingredients to make the soft soap. This is magnesium hydroxide, a kind of base. Its molecular formula is MgOH2, and it is used as an antacid to reduce hyperacidity. So people suffering from gastritis is given magnesium hydroxide. You can see here in the image the pellet of magnesium hydroxide. Friends, this is last one, calcium oxide. The common name for calcium oxide is quicklime, and it is used for softening hard water. In hard water, it is very difficult to produce leather with the soap, so adding quicklime will make water soft so that it can produce leather easily with the soap. And it is also used in manufacturing of cement. Friends, this is all about the use of base. Thank you for watching NG Academy. If you have any kind of queries, please mention in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.